Appreciation Week. Deliver a lot of food to a lot of our truck drivers during the Driver Appreciation Week. So that's actually what it says, Driver Appreciation Week, you guys, 2022. Thank you so much for all those who donated. Those of you who want to be part of this next year, heck, we'll even put up a banner for you, whatever you want to do, please let us know. We could take the donations. Our drivers do a lot for us each and every day. So if you guys want to be part of that and donate and say thank you back to our drivers, every year in September, the second week in September, we do Driver Appreciation Week. Please be part of it. Get a hold of the Montana Trucking Association to get your donations in before the end of the year, or heck, beginning of next quarter, because it's annual. Keep it coming.
Get them off the